Hello everyone, this is Asim from Trade with Asim and Sajjad, and today I'm here with daily analysis of Euro USD, GBP USD, USD Canadian dollar and gold. Starting from economic calendar, some important events are going to happen on 13th of June 2018. CPI for GBP is going to be a very good event. It might not may have a major impact as the forecast is same as the previous data release. It might not be so much effective that we might not see a very good momentum in the pair of GBP. But moving on to USD pair, there it's going to be a very good moment as the forecast is much more high for PPI. For the May, crude oil inventories are going to be in negative, which means that the prices are going to go high, and Canadian dollar is going to get more stronger. There is an FOMC statement, an economic projection, Fed interest rate which has been increased. If it's increased, we might see some good movement in USD dollar, and there is going to be FOMC conference in the evening. Moving on to dollar index, I would be expecting it that it will remain bullish, and currently it's trading at 93.78 points. I would be expect that it will close below 93.69 points, but if it closes above, it might try to approach once again average of 100 moving average and might bounce back from that level of 94 points. Going on to some pairs of Euro USD, GBP USD, and other dollar pair, as currently we are looking into USD, Euro USD on daily chart. Pivot is currently at 1.78, which is here 1.178, and it's currently trading below the pivot, which reveals to me and give me a very good signal that it's going to be a downward trend, and it has already tried to approach 1.171, which is support 1, but it got bounced back. If it will try to once again approach this support and will break, I can expect to see it support 3, 1.165, but it seems to be to me like a very strong support, and it got bounced back at 1.2 and its third point today, so 3 times it has bounced back, which might be a reason that it will get reversed back from here and will start a bullish momentum. So I would call for a caution. And if it will breach support 1, which is at 1.173, I would be expecting it there is going to be a good sell position at that point. So be cautious, keep watching. If it is breaching support 1 at 1.173, it's a very good sell. Apart from that, if it goes above the pivot, I would be buying the pair. Moving into GBP USD, the pair closed in red yesterday, and today it's currently at a green candle, but I would be expecting for 13th of June that it might be a bearish momentum for the pair, as the GBP is currently getting weaker and weaker, and for the news and the data coming out from the Britain is not really good at the moment as well. So I will be seeing it as it's currently trading below the pivot, which is at 1.338. It will try to approach once again support 1, which is at 1.332. It has failed a couple of times, but I would expect that on Thursday, on Wednesday, it's going to be breaking that support, and it will try to trade between 1.338 to 1.329. Moving on to USD Canadian dollar. It's a bullish momentum as the dollar was getting stronger today, and we have seen a dollar index being rising. But because of the crude oil inventories, I would like to see a very good red candle in the pair. So let's be ready for that momentum when the oil inventories are released, and we will see a very good candle towards downward, but it will do a retracement towards upward. When it goes downward, it's for sure at that time it's a very good buy, and it will try to go upward again to do the retracement. So currently it's above the pivot, which is at 1.2 to 1.299, and I would expect it to breach the support level. but before it will breach the support, the resistance one at 1.303, I would expect it to come down below support 2, which is at 1.293, due to the oil inventories, and then it will boom up towards the upward direction. I would be buying it at the moment when it comes down to 1.293. So and it should be just at the time of the crude oil inventories. Moving on to gold, it has been a sideways market from last week. Currently, it tried to approach and break the support one at 1293, but couldn't break, and it went up and bounced back at 1296. So currently, it's just below the pivot. As the dollar being getting a little bit stronger, I would expect that it will once again try to approach and try to break the support one at 1293. It's going to be a good sell. I would expect to sell at 1298 and take the TP at 1292. Gold is being very tricky from last couple of weeks, so I would expect to be cautious, but it's a good sell if it's trading below 1298. That's all from Trade with Asim and Sajjad. If you're not subscribed to our channel, click on the subscribe button to subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you like our video. Thank you.